Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mukhale. Betway Premiership clash in the Mbombela Stadium has wrapped up. Stellan Bazin, TS Galaxy and Kaizer Chiefs. Nil pelile lana masilela uthi game uyibone njani?
Basindile mpintshi.
Hayi,
Basindile.
Yeah.
But bona basayinile. Yeah, I saw those guys both vele buying.
Sure, straight.
Yeah, but I think bazoba ne problem.
Yeah.
Because next time mabafika la Mbombela boyiphelele mashara mpintshi.
Hey,
Yeah.
Yobenzani
So bashaya baphelele mashara ku toll gate. Yeah. Number 1.
Awuthi performance ebafana bakho namhlanje sikaze sicala starting lineup Puso Research was not there. Kwenzakaleni nini balandeli beTS Galaxy nisibone besikahle starting lineup or kunekusola lebekade nikubona nini?
Beyikahle mngani wami. I-pressure. Bonke abantu labetela.
Sure.
Bangibani beKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Esimpumalanga.
Yeah.
Bangibani beKaizer Chiefs bangu TS Galaxy. Yeah. But today i-lineup be right.
Sure.
But sengibonile ekugcineni kuthi nabo bebasebafuna i-draw. Yeah. Basebatmisele ukuthi bafuna ukubhema iVoyager.
Hayi man.
Yeah. Bafuna ukubhema iVoyager ngoba ubona na goalkeeper bekasekalala mngani.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awuthi i-performance ebafana le njengoba bekuyigame yokugcina season le nina nibalandeli beTS Galaxy, are you happy or yakhala?
Si happy mngani.
Happy.
Yeah, si happy. iTS Galaxy sendela yonke into mngani.
Sure.
Uyajoina lapha.
Sure.
Mathikiti uyawathola.
Sure.
Everything. Ngiyabakhuthata abantu baseMpumalanga ukuthi
Yeah.
support iTS Galaxy.
Sure, awuthi.
Ngiyabonga mngani wami.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.